Hey, what's up, fellas? What we're looking at here is two different nozzles. This is a shipment that I just received. They showed up looking like this. And this is what they were supposed to look like. A little bit of an issue here. This is a common thing when you're working with China. So now I got a stack of these things over there. So before they send more of them, I told them to stop the order. We have to check this nozzle to see if it's going to work well. This one works the way I like it. It's got nice characteristics to it. Very good high velocity burner. Don't know how this one's going to work. So I have a test stand set up here. We're going to give this thing a quick run for its money to see whether or not I got screwed or if we've come up with a different version of this nozzle. This right here is an old prototype that was used to proof the dimensions of the design before I had these manufactured. And as you can see, the borehole is quite similar to this larger size. So it may actually work okay, but I gotta find out. All right, well, so far so good. All right, fellas, so I'm not going to classify this as a mistake, but rather a discovery. These dimensions are far more similar to the initial test device that was used to design the ceramic nozzles that I was going to have manufactured in the first place. But I made some last minute changes, and the smaller nozzle also performs pretty well in a lot of certain situations. But we can't deny the brutality of this thing. This thing is a beast. I wish you could hear it in person. It's got a lot more power and roar than the video is going to give justice to. And also the bottle is not warm. This bottle's been sitting out in the cold, so we lose bottle pressure quite quick. And anytime you lose bottle pressure this fast, you know you're in about the 90,000 watt range or the 300,000 BTUs. All that crap where they sell you them 500,000 BTU rosebud torches for like burning weeds and stuff at Lowe's and all that. That's a lie. You can't get no 500,000 BTUs out of a small bottle. Maybe out of a propane truck. But nonetheless, I'm going to have to tell Frank it was a success. My ears are ringing and I had earplugs on.